Welcome to the new session of DHTML. In this session, I am going to discuss about the CSS property. So we'll start with the text property. The properties which I am going to discuss today, that is related with text. So the different types of formatting you can apply on the text. So all those are considered as text property. So the first property in that case is the color property. So basically the color property is used to set the color of the text. One can set the color of the text by three possible ways. The one is by its color name, by its hexadecimal number and the Rgb value. In the example you can see all three ways. So in the paragraph element, I have mentioned the color by its name, which is red, with H1. So it's the hexadecimal value. Hexadecimal value starts with the hash symbol. First two digit is for the red color, second two digit is for green color, and last two digit is for blue color. So in this case 00 for red and blue color value, but the FF value is for green. So that means this is the highest value of the hexadecimal value. So this color, I mean the content of H1 comes in the green shade, right? So in the hexadecimal value range starts from 0 to 9 and then A to F. Total 16 numbers are there. The third way, that is Rgb value. So the properties, the way to write the Rgb value is color colon Rgb, and in the round bracket you have to give the value. Now Rgb value starts from 0 to 255. Total 256 shades of red color, 256 shades of green color and 256 shades of blue color. So that is how you can set the color of the text. The next is alignment property. It similarly work as the align attribute in the HTML, but here its name, the property name is text hyphen align. So four possible values are there. It is used to set the alignment of the text, and possible values are left, right, center and justify. I hope you people know what is the difference between the center and justify. We have already learned in Microsoft Word. The next is decoration. This property specifies the decoration added to the text. The decoration on the text is possible by three different properties. The first one is text decoration line, second is text decoration color, and the third is text decoration style. Now you can find in this case the fourth property, which is the common property for all three options. So text decoration, that sets decoration line as well as color as well as style. So text decoration line, let's see the values. So the decoration lines, how to set the line to the text. So the possible values are none. So that means no decoration line. Underline, so after the text, right? You know very well how to apply the underline text effect. Over the line, so above the text there is a line. Line through is basically used to, like, if you want to display the content, but you have cut that portion, right? So the line through option is like the text with the line that is on the center part of that text. So it shows like you have cut that content. Fine. And the last is blink effect, right? So the blink decoration, so that is the text decoration line. Now text decoration color is sets the color of that टेक्स्ट डेकोरेशन. जो भी टेक्स्ट डेकोरेशन आप अप्लाई करते हो उसके कलर अगर सेट करने हैं, सो वी हैव टेक्स्ट डेकोरेशन right? So two hyphens are there because there's three words: text hyphen decoration hyphen color. The next is text decoration style. It sets the style of the text like solid, wavy, the dash, double as well as dotted. The last is the text decoration, right? If you want to apply all the set, let's say if you want to apply overline, red color, dash line, right? So all three properties you can set using text decoration. So I'll show you the example. See, this is how you can set the decoration. So see, this is the common property text decoration. It shows underline, that is the style, this is the type, and this is the color. So by all three ways you can set the decoration to the H1 tag content. The next example is by applying the individual decoration property. So here it is mentioned text decoration line is underline, decoration style is wavy, and decoration color is, let's say, red. Clear? So this is the decoration property. The next is transform. Transform property that controls the capitalization of text. The possible values are capitalized, uppercase and the lowercase. If you want to transform your content in uppercase, lowercase or the capitalize, right? So this is the property, the text hyphen transform. This property is used to transform your text into the different cases. The next we have, that is indent. The text indent property specify the indentation of the first line in a text block. You can specify the size of indentation in pixels or a percentage. Let's say if I'll ask you to write a paragraph in your notebook. So it's our common habit that we put few space in the first line and then after we start writing, right? So it works similarly. The text indentation, it puts the margin for like 50 px, so there's a blank space and then after it starts writing the paragraph or the whatever the content. So text indentation is to set the indentation, to put the blank space, so then after it starts displaying the content. So there are two ways to apply the size. The one is pixel and another one is percentage. The next is letter spacing. Letter spacing is used to increase or decrease the space between the characters, right? So you can set the space in positive value as well as negative value. If positive value, so it increase the space. If negative value, so it will decrease the space. And if you decrease the space, that means characters are going to be overlapped, right? If you write A, B, C, D, if you put 2px, so there is a space between two character A and B, 2px, but minus 1px, so A and B थोड़े बहुत overlap हो जाएंगे, fine? The next is word spacing. Similarly, the space between a two word, you can increase the value and decrease the value. So 30px or the minus 10px are the value which I have mentioned here. Clear? So that's it for today. We'll meet soon in the next session.